Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching how to make pancakes. You can see that is the recipe and these are the ingredients that you need for the pancakes. So get your clean dry bowl, then you add your egg, you whisk the egg, whisk. Then you add your sugar and you mix it. You mix them very well. And then you add your melted butter. Then you mix. You add your flour, which is your dry ingredient. You mix, then you fold. You can see how I am doing it gently. You fold gently. Fold gently. Then you add your liquid, which is your milk. You can see I'm not adding the full 1 cup. I'm adding the liquid, which is the milk, gradually. And you will still see in the end, I will not use all the 1 cup of milk. Just be adding the liquid gently. You fold, then you add your liquid. You fold, you mix it properly. Our batter should be like cake batter. It shouldn't be thick and it shouldn't be watery. You add your liquid gradually. gradually, because the reason why I'm adding the liquid gradually, I don't want our batter to become watery. So adding the water gradually helps to reduce watery batter. You can see it mix very well to make sure your batter is not thick before you add water. When you see that your batter is still thick, you add the liquid. We want a fluffy, not thick batter. We want a fluffy batter. You can see how our batter is fluffy. You know the ingredients we use. We use flour, melted butter, sugar. Look at this. I'm putting the baking powder last. Salt is optional. Your vanilla flavor, you add it to your egg. You just add it to your egg. Baking powder should be last. Salt is optional. Vanilla flavor is optional. And when you want to put your vanilla flavor, you add it inside the egg. You can see I'm just folding it. I won't be mixing it too much because I've added the baking powder. Your baking powder should be last because you don't want to overmix the batter. You can see pancake batter is looking fluffy. We want to achieve a fluffy batter. So in your dry pan, you put your heat in a moderate heat. Your heat should not be high, on a moderate heat. Then you grease with vegetable oil or butter. Just grease it a little. Grease your pan a little. Then you add your pancake. When making pancake, you have to be patient to allow it to cook. When you see bubbles on top, that's when you know it's getting cooked. make sure you use non-stick pan. You can see it is not yet cooked. You use non-stick pan. Grease your pan with either little vegetable oil or butter. Make sure it's little. You can see I flip it over. You can see the both sides are completely cooked properly. So repeat the process. You can see the bubbles. You flip. So please guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. So this is the final result, the final look of our pancakes. Thanks for watching.